Mike McGilvary with Mike McGilvary Roofing. This is a full roof replacement we are currently replacing here in Palm Beach County. Most homeowners don't realize this. Under Florida Statute 627.7011, a roof cannot be denied coverage based on the age alone. In many cases, roofs can be repaired and rebuilt, which is what we specialize in, extending roof life and saving homeowners money. However, there are situations where a roof has reached the point where replacement is the correct and necessary solution. When that time comes, we perform full replacements using the highest quality materials and precise installation methods, built for long-term performance and backed by strong warranties. Mike McGilvary, Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation experts.